Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can set up your Stripe with your Wix account. So whether you're on this side, or this side, I need you to get onto the dashboard like so. So if you're on this website right now, simply go up here where it says Wix and click go to dashboard. And if you're in the front page, simply click on the website that you want to integrate Stripe with. In this case, I'm going to select this one and click in the middle. And once you are on the dashboard, you can see that you're presented with quite a few options over on the left-hand side here. And I want you to go to the getting paid option here. And from here, you click connect and setup at the top. And then you click connect payment method here on the blue button. And then here you have the option to connect with Stripe. So simply click connect here. And as you can see, there is a couple of steps to connect your Stripe account with your Wix. So simply add your details and then click connect down here, and then your Wix website is set up with Stripe. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Let me know if you need help with anything else, and see you in the next one.